we are going to discuss the question answers. So first we answer the following questions. So what is the first questions? In the first question, the define energy. Which one is the first question? That one is the define energy. What do you know about the energy? The ability to do work is known as energy. Our body needs energy for any movement or to do any work. So that means whatever we will do, we need energy for the requirement, any kind of work. So that means the ability or the capacity to do work is called the energy. Next question. Second question. What are the benefits of energy? So all of you know that we need energy to work, run, swim, etc. While performing these activities, we burn the energy in our body and this helps us to stay fit. Various types of energy help us to run the machines invented by man. So with the help of energy, nowadays we are doing lots of work, and because of that work we are able to live comfortably. And third question, what are the various sources of energy? So I have told you that different kind of sources are there, and because of them, depending on the source also, we divided them into the two categories. So usage, availability of them also. So the answer should be the various resources of energy are nuclear, mechanical, chemical, electrical, electromagnetic and thermal. And the thing is there, fourth question. So what do you understand by the term fossil fuels? So for fossil fuels, all of you know the fuels that are formed in the earth from dead plants and animals are known as fossil fuels. Few of the fossil fuels include coal, petroleum and natural gas. So these are fossil fuels. With the help of fossil fuels, we are able to do so many works in our household works. So that means the light, fan. Nowadays, still now these are being produced from the fossil fuels. And the fifth question, what are the types of renewable energy? That means which one you can get again within a short period of time. The energy resources that can be renewed in a very short time are known as renewable energy resources. Few of the examples of renewable resources are solar energy, biomass, wind energy, geothermal and hydropower. So they all are the example of renewable energy. Next question, sixth one. What are the types of non-renewable energy? So the limited energy resources that are consumed a lot of time to develop again are called non-renewable energy resources. Examples are fossil fuels, coal, natural gas and nuclear power. So that means once these non-renewable energies, they will be finished, then we are not able to get them easily. It will take lot of time. Next thing, the seventh one, define biomass. What do you know by biomass? The organic matter that helps the plants to grow is known as biomass. Biomass is used for various purposes like producing electricity, chemicals, etc. So biomass is very important for us. If we can use it, then that one will be very helpful for us, because at a time it is giving the benefit of two. One thing, the waste thing. In in our daily life, which vegetables waste we are producing. With the help of this, we can produce it. That means that one is a one kind of. So nowadays that one is also one kind of problem. So the huge pollution is coming because of the huge amount of garbage, presence of garbage. So in this way you can reduce the little amount of the size of the garbage also, and beside you are getting the electricity. Next thing, that define solar energy. That means eighth one, the renewable energy that comes either directly or indirectly from sun is called solar energy. It can be used directly for heating and lighting homes and other buildings, generating electricity, etc. Solar energy is used for commercial and industrial purposes as well. So sun is the main source of the solar energy. From sun, which energy we are getting? These are the solar energy. And define nuclear energy. So what is the nuclear energy? The fission of uranium atoms provides the heat to generate steam. This steam is again used to produce electricity. This is called nuclear power, and this one is also one kind of non-renewable energy. Because of production of this kind of energy, our environment is being polluted a lot. So these all about the different, that means first bit. So all of you learn about the first bit. Now we are going to discuss about the B kit. Fill up the following blanks using clue kit. So here clue kit is given. By using the clue kit you have to fill it. So first one, energy is the capacity to do what? That one should be filled by work. W-O-R-K. Next, most renewable source of energy comes from dash. If you will see, there is one word sunlight. So here you have to write sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. That one should be sunlight. Next one, third one, the dash is the main source of energy. So the sun is the main source of energy. Here you have to write sun. Sun is the main source of energy. Next, fourth one. The organic matter is called what? The biomass, is it? So, B-I-O-M-A-S-S. That one is the biomass. Next, the fifth one. Natural gas is used for gas. All of you know that one is used for the cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Is it? So that one is being used for the cooking. Now we are going to discuss about the C-bit. Write yes or no for the following statements. So here different statements are given. If that one is correct, you have to write yes. If that one is wrong, you have to write no. So first statement, we get energy from many sources. Is it correct? Yes, that one is correct. Different kind of sources are there, so you have to write inside the bracket yes. Next, we use energy to run cars. Is it correct? That one is also correct, because to running the car we need the cars to drive the cars, so you have to write here yes. Next, we don't need energy to play. That one is not correct, because we need energy from food. The energy is being provided. So here that one is the wrong statement. So here you have to write no. The fourth one, water is non-renewable energy. Is it correct or not? No. That one is not correct. Water is a renewable energy. So here you have to write no. Next, the last one, wind is a renewable source of energy. Is it correct? Yes, that one is correct. Renewable energy. So you have to write here yes. So in this way you have completed the C bit. Now we are going to discuss about the C bit. Classify the items into renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. So here the different words are given. Which one is the renewable, which one is the non-renewable, we have to see them. So in the renewable, which things are coming? See here the solar energy. So that one is the renewable. Here you have to write this one is the solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable. If you will see that wind is a renewable energy, and if you will see the water is also renewable energy. If you will see the geothermal energy, geothermal energy is also renewable energy. What about non-renewable energy? You can see that the first one, the coal. Coal is the non-renewable energy. Natural gas, the nuclear power, see, oil is also non-renewable energy. So all the renewable energy and non-renewable energy you have classified them, is it? Now it's time to do the project. So here one chart is given, you have to complete it. See here in the picture, if you will see that the first one, the Earth's resources. The top of the chart is the Earth's resources. From these two branches are there. One is renewable, that one is one tree is there, and another one, that one is the non-renewable, that one some coals are there, coals image are there, is it? And if you will see, first you have to define them, which one is the renewable energy, which one is the non-renewable energy. So which one is being exhausted, that one is the non-renewable energy. Which one is not being exhausted, that one is called the non-renewable energy. Which one you can produce within a short period of time. And afterwards you have to give the examples of the renewable energy and the non-renewable energy. You can give the example of the renewable energy, solar gas, solar power, water power, wind power, geothermal power. These all the things you can give. And if you will see the non-renewable energy, you can write the natural gas, nuclear power, the oil, the coal, these things you can write, and in this way that one will be over. And the thing, energy conservation is a very important part of energy planning and its management. So energy is we are suffering from the lack of energy because most of the sources of our each and every household work, in our industry work, are the non-renewable energy. That means we have to be careful while using the energy. We should not waste the energy, and if it saves energy resources for future. So if we will use like that on that time for our future generation, we won't leave anything. That means the energy they will face this problem. That means energy deficiency problem. And the thing is there that avoids wasteful utilization of energy, provides a solution to energy crisis. That means, for example, a lot of electricity can be saved by using energy efficient lamp. Yes, if you will see the CFL lamp and the normal this bulb. So the bulb is consuming more amount of energy with respect to the CFL lamp. So which one you should use? I think CFL lamp you should use, And if you will see that the supercoolers, that means 20% more light and more light saves up to 10% energy. So all of you should be careful for the energy saving also. Otherwise, in our future generation, we can face this problem, energy deficiency problem. Not only the our future generation, for we also may face. Is it clear? So all of you go through the lesson and prepare well for our online exam. Thank you.